Let's make a bed together for our brand new, much bigger garden. Starting fresh is always exciting, but finding good soil can be very hard. In our case, we are working with loamy soil. That's a good start because loamy soil has the right texture for growing vegetables. It's not too sandy, not too sticky like clay, and it holds moisture well while still draining excess water. But the problem is that this soil has no nutrients in it. That means we have to build it up ourselves. The good thing is that we can turn this lifeless soil into a rich, living garden bed by adding organic matter, beneficial microbes, earthworms, and natural nitrogen sources. And the best part is, we can do all that in just a few days. First, we need to make space in our garden bed so we can add all the good materials. To do that, we simply remove the top layer of our loamy soil. You don't have to go too deep, just a few inches to create room. Set this soil aside because we're going to use it again soon. Now, take a look at the crop you see in the video. This is a cover crop that was planted earlier, before we decided to turn this land into a vegetable garden. Cover crops are used to protect soil and prevent weeds, but now that we're starting our bed, we need to remove it. But we're not throwing it away. What we do is pull out the crop and tear it up with our hands into small pieces. This helps it break down faster. Once you've torn it up, spread it all across the bed. This green material will decompose in the soil and become a great source of nitrogen. As it breaks down, it will also attract helpful microbes and earthworms, which will improve soil health and structure. Now, we take that same loamy soil that we removed earlier and cover the torn cover crop completely. This will help trap moisture and heat, both of which are needed to break down the green material quickly. Once you've covered everything, level the soil with your hand or a tool. Don't press too hard, just make sure the surface is flat and neat. Now it's time to sprinkle some neem cake on top of the soil. Neem cake is a natural fertilizer and pest repellent made from the leftover neem seeds after oil extraction. It's full of organic nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. But the real beauty of neem cake is that it protects the soil from harmful pests and insects without hurting beneficial insects or earthworms. It also controls soil-borne fungi and diseases, and even stops the growth of unwanted nematodes in the soil. It's like medicine for the soil that also feeds your plants. A little goes a long way. Just sprinkle it lightly all across the bed. Next, we're going to add a layer of vermicompost on top. Vermicompost is compost made with the help of earthworms. It is one of the best soil amendments you can use. It contains not only nutrients, but also lots of good microbes that help plants absorb food easily. It also improves the soil's texture and structure, helping it to retain water while still draining well. Vermicompost also encourages earthworms to live in your bed, and when earthworms are active in your soil, they keep it aerated, break down organic matter, and improve root health. When you add vermicompost, you're basically bringing your soil to life. You can spread about 1 or 2 inches of vermicompost across the surface of the bed. Once everything is in place, it's time to water the bed properly. Give it a good, deep watering. This will help all the materials settle down and begin the process of decomposition and blending with the soil. Water activates the neem cake, starts breaking down the green crop, and gives life to the microbes in the vermicompost,